York gun advocacy group is taking on the state's concealed carry law in federal court. The argument they make, ordinary citizens should be able to get a license to carry a concealed handgun outside of their home. Channel 2's Jeff Perval explains their argument.
If you want to carry a concealed handgun in New York State, you need to get a license and show a special need to protect yourself. That's what the State Rifle and Pistol Association says is against the Second Amendment, and it's filed a lawsuit on behalf of gun owners denied those licenses, something gun rights group Scope supports.
If you have a right of self-defense, it shouldn't end at your doorstep. You should be able to have a viable means of self-defense wherever you may go. Now I realize there are restrictions on it. You can't carry a gun in a school or play in public buildings and so forth.
Last year, the U.S. Court of Appeals in D.C. blocked a city regulation requiring gun owners to show good reason to fear injury in order to get a concealed carry handgun permit.
For that court to take a pro-Second Amendment stance, I think is very telling.
In that case, as part of the State Rifle Association's legal argument.
So I think that this is potentially a case that makes it to the Supreme Court on the issue of how strict a concealed carry requirement should be.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the governor's office calls the lawsuit disturbing, frivolous, and a waste of taxpayer money. But gun rights advocates say the lawsuit has merit and want to see New York's gun laws relaxed, similar to other states.
If you can go to Pennsylvania and get a concealed carry permit, and you can prove that you're not a felon and you don't have a mental disability, you get your pistol permit immediately.
But former State Attorney General Dennis Vacco, who you heard from, says not every appeals court is the same. A federal court upheld New York's concealed carry law back in 2012. Live in the studio tonight, I'm Jeff Perval, Channel 2 News.